EPOS, Artistry in Watchmaking. The origins of the EPOS company date back to 1925. In that year, James Aubert formed his watch company in the Vallée de Joux, known as the center of the mechanical watch world. James Aubert was an enthusiastic mechanical watch engineer who dedicated his life to developing new watch mechanisms. He was a master of his art and spent most of his efforts focusing on technical developments of chronographs and minute repeaters. In the true watchmaker's tradition, he handed down his knowledge to his nephew Jean Aubert and his son-in-law Jean Fillon, who is still today the EPOS watch engineer-in-chief. In the early 1980s, the success story of the traditional Swiss watch came to a standstill. The new quartz technology radically changed the face of the watch industry. Nobody wanted to produce mechanical watches any longer, with the notable exception of a few luxury brands. Peter Hoffer, a long-established expert in Swiss watchmaking, was one of the few who still believed in the future of the mechanical watch. With this vision, he decided to form his own company in 1983, Montre EPOS SA. From the very beginning, EPOS has been a mechanical brand with interesting innovations. For 20 years, he remained faithful to his vision, developing stunning collections incorporating fascinating mechanisms, always in close cooperation with Jean Fillon. The heart of each EPOS watch is its mechanical movement. The basic mechanisms, which come from renowned Swiss manufacturers, are then assembled by the EPOS watchmakers, who add special functions and stunning decorations. EPOS watches are designed and developed with passion, manufactured with precision in the Jura Mountains and the Vallée de Joux workshops. EPOS is especially proud of its in-house innovations. For instance, special functions such as the power reserve indication, the big date, or the regulator from the phases of the moon, developed in Jean Fillon's workshop. Once completed, the movement is very carefully decorated, often by hand. Nearly all the EPOS models are equipped with a crystal caseback to allow its owner to admire the work. As a result, EPOS collections are greatly sought after by collectors and watch lovers. A special characteristic of many EPOS models is their well-decorated movements, pearl finish, Côte de Genève engraving, and blued steel screws. Such luxury decorations are often made by hand, which turn each watch into a work of art. Switzerland has gained a unique worldwide reputation over centuries thanks to the pioneering spirit and sense of perfection of its watchmakers. EPOS's mission is to be a guardian of these traditional values and high standards. EPOS watches are manufactured with precision in the Jura Mountains and the Vallée de Joux workshops, and assembled with care in Grenchen, areas which have always been the most famous in the watchmaking heritage. EPOS, artistry in watchmaking. EPOS offers high-quality mechanical watches with interesting functions, but still at an affordable price. Finished with loving care, according to the traditional Swiss watchmaker's heritage, they deserve to be called artistry in watchmaking.